Hey folks, sticking around, I'm your man, Yubi here. This 2017 GMC Sierra, what I like about one thing right off the bat, it's all 3M, so the previous owner took great pride in it. I love the grille. You got the nice tow hooks, got your sensors here, lovely headlights. This thing also comes with aftermarket rims and tires, and a little bit of a lift kit there. Gotta love the chrome accents going down the side, and you got your side steps. Very well maintained. Got a nice tri-fold tunnel cover on the back. It's all ready to go. Love the soft dampening tailgate. Box liner's a bonus. Let's check out the inside. Hey folks, Yubi here from St.Albert Dodge. Thanks for sticking around, checking out this 2017 GMC Sierra. Well, on the inside, it's very well maintained. Leather, very comfortable seats. This thing comes with pre-sitting over here. Got your power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Got your tow brake all set up here. Heated steering wheel right here. All your cluster controls, cruise control, Bluetooth, all on your wheel. Very accessible. Passenger heated and ventilated seats. Got your park assist. You get your park sensors here. Oh yeah, you can move your paddles out. Also comes with the OnStar. One thing I do like about the GMCs and Chev is having your cell phone right here. Put it down on the road as you're cruising along. It charges for you. Got the sunroof and much more. Very well maintained unit. If you have the sensor issue, feel free to give me a shout. That's Yubi, St. Albert Dodge, 780-220-3822. Thanks a lot and have a great day.